Panda Portable Ventless Clothes Dryer. Is it all that or straight whack? All right, the video's coming up right now. Stay tuned.
Chocolate gadgets.
What's up, guys? Gary Janae, Chocolate Gadgets. In this video, we're going to review this Panda Ventless Dryer. All right, a video that I did that got my most views and comments is my mini washer video. Okay, the link is gonna be, I believe, right over here or over there, but I believe it's gonna be right over here. Check that out. And this is to accompany my little mini dryer for an apartment. This is the ventless, well, my mini washer. This is the ventless clothes dryer to go along with it, okay? So let's get it open, all right? So this is all real time right here. Now, guys, please understand something. This right here is something, it's not a traditional dryer in the sense of a tumble dryer that uses all that electricity that, you know, tosses your clothes around. This is like, it's got a heater at the bottom and a big old dome, and just kind of heats that way. So all right, so it looks kind of like that. I don't know if you can see the box. Okay, all right, see that right there, and you put it together. So let's get it out of here. Yeah. And I've had this for a while. I'm just getting around to, I'm gonna stand up. So this is like the bottom. Okay. Feels very, no, it's not the bottom, but feels very plasticky. These are the little arms and legs, I guess. This is the, I guess, the cover around. This is something that goes somewhere. Okay, it comes with your Panda ownership registration, and this is, I guess, the instructions right here. And this, ladies and germs, this is the bottom. This is the heater, all right? So let me sit down. Let me put this all together. I don't know if I'm gonna show that, but let me put this all together, and then we're gonna get busy, all right? So just give me a couple of seconds. Let me make this happen, all right? We'll be right back. All right, so it goes a little something like this. It's got these little holes on the bottom, and you take these out and put them inside these holes right here. Make sure that it's like round and flat, so you just got to make sure that it matches up. All right, and I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Take this and screw this in, and then I don't know if you can even see this. Let me turn it this way. And you take this one out, screw this on top of that one. Hopefully you guys can see this. I need to get a damn cameraman, I know. And then you stand it up. Hopefully you can see it like this. And then this goes on top. I'm not mistaken. So let's turn this around this way. I mean, it doesn't feel too cheap. All right. Well, this right here goes down. This is where you put, if you can see this, right? This is where you put your hangers and stuff, okay? I believe that this goes, I'm not sure where this goes. Looks like this goes right here. I believe that's it. I don't want to cut this, so I didn't do this. All right. So if you look right here, I pretty much took this and just, you know, hang it on top right here. And it goes down. You can see the inside where you hang. This is where you hang your clothing from on clothing hangers, right? And this is that center pole going down, and this is the closure at the bottom. You just put it around right at the bottom, and then we're just gonna zip this bad boy up. Here, here. All right, zip that up all the way, and you go over here, and you zip this up. Right, you take these, I can't do it with one hand. Take these, zip, you go over here and zip. Let me do that. And that's it, guys. This is the top. We have your air vents. I want to plug this in, put some clothes in it, and let's see what we get, okay? That was the really easy, and I made a complicated setup. All right, let me put some clothes in here. Okay, so we have it plugged in, and what we're going to do right here is let's move this so you can see this. This is the off. It's on off. This is the on. Okay, we can just go power on, and you can hear that. And you can take this, go past, and you can take this, you can go back past, and that's 30, 60, you turn around to 90, all the way over to what looks like 120. All right. And that's it. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put some t-shirts in here. So let me turn this around. Okay, it's in there cooking. And the time is what, 2:53. I'm gonna come back. Well, I'm gonna check periodically, but I'm gonna come back in about an hour or so, an hour or two. We're gonna see how this is going. All right. So once again, time is 2:53. We're gonna check it like 3:53 or so. And we're gonna check it out. All right. Let's go. Okay, this is dry. These I gotta let, the jeans I gotta let go a little bit more. The t-shirts, completely dry. So let me get these t-shirts. Yeah. These are dry. And I'm gonna let these go for another maybe a half an hour or so. They're not quite there, almost there. Almost there. We'll be right back. Right. Oh yeah. Dry as a bone. And that's fleece. So this thing works. Let's see what's up with these jeans here. Little denim shorts. And you saw how they looked before, now check them out. And warm. This is actually a little toasty. So this thing works, all right? See, dry. Okay guys, that was the Panda dryer, okay? As I showed you before, this is the box. Honestly, I didn't have very high expectations of it, and it exceeded my expectations. The one thing that I will say is that it does take up kind of a lot of space, but you can take it down and put it back in the box, you know, and put it, I guess, in the closet or something like that when you're not using it. But honestly, in terms of drying the clothes, those t-shirts, it dried in about 20 minutes to a half an hour. And I just left it in there for the entire hour, and it was very dry. So I have to say that I was pleasantly surprised.
Now, it also did the sweat shorts and the jeans, and it dried them just fine. You know, you just have to leave it a little bit longer. But I just put them in there and just turn it for an hour, go do my thing, and come back. I mean, that's all you really have to do.
But once you put your wash machine on a spin cycle, it should get your stuff, you know, a lot of the moisture out of it. So you shouldn't ever be putting soaking wet clothes in a dryer. It should be just like damp. But honestly, it worked just fine. There was a lot of room in there. I could have put a lot more clothes. So, I mean, I like it, you know, it does the trick, and it dried really quick. And when I opened it up, I actually was starting to sweat, so it gets really hot in there. And it blows up, and you can feel the fan in there blowing the air around, and I can't complain. I actually thought it was gonna suck, to be honest with you. All right, so I'm gonna give it 3.5 chocolate bars. You know, it does the trick. I mean, you put clothes in it that are damp, and you leave them, and you come back and they're dry, and it did it relatively quickly. I thought it was going to take a lot longer since, you know, it's not in a tumbler drying, like being tossed around, but it dried, you know, pretty quickly, you know what I'm saying? Almost, not quite, but almost comparable to you know, a regular dryer. So I really can't complain. So 3.5 stars, and that's it. Okay, guys. subscribe. Chocolate Gadgets is in the building. Got a whole lot of stuff. Tech, gadgets, household stuff, you name it. So holla at your boy, all right? Gary Janae, and I am out. God bless, and I'm going to see you. Peace.